One of the most important concepts of the programming is dynamic memory allocation. When we declare the array and initialize it, we inform the compiler about the memory requirement of the array. But in dynamic memory allocation, we allocate the memory from heap area at runtime or while program is executing. In this program, using the memory management function calloc, this one, we are allocating the memory. Okay, so we are using function calloc to allocate the memory. So using function calloc, we have reserved the memory space from heap area. Here we have allocated space for 1001 integers. So we have allocated space for 1001 integers, that is total 2002 bytes, because we know that integer byte consume 2 bytes, hence 1001 into 2 is equal to 2002. Is it clear? Remember that by default the function calloc will return a pointer which is a void pointer. What is that pointer? Void, void. That is, it can point to any data type. So void pointer means pointer to nothing. I mean, the meaning of void is it can point to any data type. Hence, casting is necessary. That is why you see here we have used casting. Okay, by using in the bracket integer star, we have temporarily converted the pointer returned by calloc to integer type of pointer. Now this pointer is pointing to the starting location of the memory in the heap area which is allocated by calloc. Okay, we have assigned this address to the integer pointer ptr. We have declared here integer pointer and we have assigned the pointer returned by calloc to this pointer ptr. Okay, then observe the if statement. The if statement is checking the memory allocation error. So here the message of memory allocation error. If the function calloc could not allocate memory, then it will return null value. So if function calloc cannot, suppose if it could not reserve memory in heap area, or it cannot allocate the memory from heap area, then it will return null value. That value is assigned to ptr, and in the if statement is checking that null value. So if ptr contains null, then program will display the error message using printf library function and stop the working of the program using function exit. If you want the help of exit, you can see that help. So control F1 over here, and now terminates the program. So job of function exit is terminate the program. Okay, now remaining program is very simple. After the if statement, we have initialized the array from 0 to 1000. So total there are 1001 elements, and after that here we are displayed all the elements again by using for loop. Okay, now at last you observe the function free. The job of this function is to free the allocated memory by calloc or function like malloc, etc. Before the end of the program, you must free the memory allocated by calloc or malloc. Okay, so there are two functions. Malloc means just allocate the number of bytes, and calloc means allocate the number of data of specific size. So we have allocated 1001 data items of integer types. But while doing so, calloc will initialize all the data by 0. That is the advantage of calloc. Okay, now run the program, then compile the program first, so there are no warnings and error message. Execute the program and we will see that all the 1000 elements are displayed over here. Okay, now remember one important point. Here we have used first time memory area from heap. Is it clear? So by using memory management function calloc and malloc, you can allocate the memory from free storage or from heap. The meaning is same. Free storage means heap area. Is it clear? Thank you.